Looking for a new course in nursing and paramedical course? Admissions open at one of the most top colleges in the country. East West Group of Institutions, Bangalore, recognized by Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Choose your courses on your screen. Hurry up, limited seats available. For more details, contact the link given below.
Kakasi Students Union Central Executive Council kala kunno baka Sarkar Meghalaya kala board din tang arsin ya ka matjing kren halor ka inline permit ILP bat katanat kampo yeng ka Sarkar India. Haba kran shikilat pathay kubor haka khat South Regunai tung arhajar arpunriu u General Secretary ka KSU CEC usamna Ruben Najiar ulapen pau bakat kum gajing lap ling ba ka Right to Information RTI bala wad daka seng ka Sarkar Meghalaya kala pha tang arsen kisiti sya ka Ministry of Home Affairs bandawa pentrai kam ya ka inline permit. Uloong begitu artli kisiti la pha house nam arhajar khat khandai bat arhajar arpo henry hadian kata om syam la dan shu ka nu kisiti ka bla pha ban bot din ya ka mat. Usamla Ruben Najiar uloong ru ba menteri kampo yeng ka Sarkar India u Amit Shah syam la ai jubab ya kitegi siti henry nakal yang katanat kala ai ka jubab sya ka Kakasi Students Union. Kat kum ke KSU kini gejing lap ka pen I bahdian usnam arja arpo syam la dan shu ka nu gejing bot din ka basai nakal yang ka Sarkar Meghalaya ban pen klanya ka jing dawa ban pen trai kam ya ka inline permit hapo ka jella. Nakal yang ke KSU kala kentu ya ka Sarkar jella pekan syam ya ki sen jam ki ba khams kham bat ban beteng ya ka jing ya kran bat ka Sarkar pedeng khnang ba ka jing dawa ILP kan poi sya ka bo urlong.
In regards to ILP also we have filed an RTI asking how many times have the state government written to the Ministry of Home Affairs regarding ILP, and we have based on the reply from the RTI it has been only 2 times, that is in the year 2019 and 2020, and so far there has been no communication from the government of India to the state government regarding these 2 letters that they have filed. But it is very sad to see that the government of India is not responding to the state government, because in the last month we have met Honorable Union Minister, Home Minister Amit Shah, and we have also submitted a memorandum regarding implementation of ILP in the state. To that, I think we have received a reply within a week. So I don't understand why is the Ministry of MHA not responding the government of Meghalaya, but they are responding us. Maybe we can say the government of India respect the key issue and they don't respect the state government, because we are strong in our determination, we are strong in whatever things we have stated, and we do not fluctuate in our statements regarding whatever venture we do or whatever determination that we have in regard to this matter. Like I have stated, when it comes to other issues, the government of Meghalaya is very proactive. But when it comes to issue of security of our citizens regarding the influx issues, the state government is silent in these matters. We recently 2 years ago we have had a protest, and we have had a drive regarding the labourers that have come into our state. We have expelled thousands of labourers, and for that the state government has called for dialogue, and they have amended the Migrant Workmen Act, and that was 2 years ago. That Migrant Workmen Act again has come into the session. They have passed, but till date it has been 2 years after they have passed the amendment also. Till date they have not get the assent of the government. So the same thing also I will say regarding ILP also, they are not proactive in this step. Why Manipur has got ILP in a demand in such a short time? It's because of their political will and their political power, that maybe they have their determination in this regard has been very, very strong, that the government of India had to give them. But maybe somewhere, somehow we are just lacking. Maybe when we talk about ILP, it's just like we want to go and have a photo session with the union ministers, but there is no kind of dialogue or discussion, because based on RTI that we have get that the state, Delhi has not responded to the 2 letters. It is a very shameful thing.
Habatin, pej bahaki kishab, plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la ikan diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki mar ba medon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.